Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about jump instruction in omron PLC. So, what is the purpose of jump instruction? So, it is going to skip some rung in the ladder logic. For example, you are writing a project of 100 rungs. So, in some case or in some situation, you want to skip some particular number of rungs. In that case, what we have to do, we have to delete those particular rungs and you have to execute the project. And after some time, you want to include that rungs. You have to include that function. What you will do, again, you will add the rungs. So this is not the right way of programming, right? We should have some features in the PLC program so that you can able to control where and all you want that function and in which case you don't want to have the function. So that is called a skipping of the function. Whenever you want, you have the rungs. Whenever you don't want that, you can skip the function. Skip those rungs. So for that purpose, Omron or any other, whatever, all PLCs are having these kind of instructions, which are called as jump instruction. So JMP, which is a jump, and CJP, which is a conditional jump, and JME, which is the jump end. So all these instructions are used to skip some instructions or the rung inside your project. So JMP is one type of jump instruction and CJP conditional jump is another type of instruction. So without any further delay, we'll see what is this JMP and how to use that. So JMP jump instruction, whenever you are using the jump instruction in your project, you have to use jump end instruction also. So these two instructions will be coming together. Why? Because you have to tell from where to where you want to do this skipping operation. You want to use this jump operation. Where to where. So where the first where is your JMP and the end where till where that you have to tell using this jump end instruction. Okay. So like that you can make use of these two instructions. So JMP, here you can see it is having some input condition and JME, that is the end. And what is this end? Obviously, if your project is big, you may a need of multiple jump instructions. So you have to differentiate between these jump instruction. No, for that one we are using the jump number. So n is the jump number. Okay. So JMP instruction will be normally executing the instructions between them when the jump is on. Okay, here you can see when it is on, normally all these instruction, all these rung between these two jump will be happening. If it is off, it will be skip these instructions or these rungs. Okay, we'll see that in the program. So let's add one rung. Normally add one output. Now add the jump instruction condition. I'm going to add the jump instruction here. So JMP and your jump number. I'm giving 0. Okay. Have some, rung here. This is your, the rung where you want to include or jump. Okay. And we'll use the jump end condition here. JME and your jump number. Connect all these. That's it. Go for the simulation. Correct. So now just turn on this input. See, your output is off. Why? Because your jump instruction is off. That's what it is telling, no? When your input is on, when your input is on, then only it will allow you to move to the next run. Else, it will directly jump to the JME. Okay. So if you add one more rung here, you can able to see. I will add one more rung after your JME. Okay, that's it. Connect. Yeah. Now go for the simulation. If your jump instruction is not on, you cannot able to execute the rung between JMP and JME. Simple. Correct. See, you turn on this. Your output is off. Correct. You turn on this, your output will be on because this is out of your jump area. It's not in your jump range. Even the first rung will also be on. Only this output is off because you have not turned on your jump. So turn on now. Your output is on. See, your output is on. Correct. Now, if you turn off this, what will happen? If you turn off, your output will not get off because you have not allowed to pass through the fourth rung. I mean, this third rung. Sorry, this is the second network. Okay. So if you turn on this, it will update the output. Okay. So this is how jump instruction will be working. So you should have the jump number reference. So this particular jump is for this particular jump. So this is 0, this is 0. So in between is the jump 1. If you are using one more jump, that will be the jump 2. You can give some other number. You cannot use the same number. And moreover, jump end instruction should always be at the next of jump. You should use at least one jump before JME. For example, I'll show you here. If you are using one JME here, let's add one network above. You just use one JME. JME 0. Okay, connect. Okay, go for simulation. What it is telling, unable to download program because of this. You can see here the error. Possible jump loop at run. So this is the error. Multiple jump or there. There is multiple jump. So what is this? Okay, I'll delete this. Delete this jump and now execute. You will get an error because you should use one jump instruction before using the JME. Okay, it's not because of this. You can see. We'll do the simulation one more time. So now there is no error. Okay, but still you cannot able to run it. See, possible jump loop at run. It's a warning. You cannot able to go. So in some, there is one feature in some PLCs. Whenever some errors are there, it will give you as the warning. It will not give you as an error. So it got stuck over here. Yes, it got stuck. So save and open it again. Okay, we'll close and open the software again. So one more instruction we are having, that is CJP, conditional jump, correct? So what it is going to do, that also we are going to see in this session. Let's try to go online again. Oh, there is a communication error. Okay, let's go. Okay. You should use JMP before JME. Okay. So we'll see that in a new program. Let's add output. Okay. JMP 0. Let's add one output here. Connect. Okay. Let's go for the simulation. So there is a warning. Okay. So we cannot able to run like this. So jump end instruction have to be after the jump instruction. Fine. So let's move on to the CJP. So let's take a new program. So conditional jump is just opposite to JMP. Okay. When JMP is on, then only we can run the process. No, this is just opposite. So I'll show you here. Let's have one run before using CJP. Okay. So here I'm going to use CJP hash 1. So you can use any jump number. Okay. And now we'll have some rung before this. Okay. And use JME. JME is common for both. You have to use the exact jump number. And after that, you have one more rung. Okay. So let's connect all these. Go for online. Okay. So now we'll turn on this. Your output is on. See, your output is on. If you turn off, your output is off. Now, whenever you are turning on your conditional jump instruction, now turn on your input. This output is on, but the output which is between your jump condition is off. Okay. So if you understand the jump instruction, you can easily understand the conditional jump instruction. It's just opposite. Okay. When the conditional jump instruction is on, you cannot able to process. If it is on, it will skip the instruction between the jump. If it is off, you can able to process the rung between your jump instruction. Okay. So here also you cannot use jump end instruction before CJP, and you can use multiple jump instruction in your project. Okay. So which jump you are referring to, it depends upon the jump number. All right. So like this, you can make use of the instruction in your project whenever you want to skip some function. So the instruction or the rung which is not inside your jump will be processing as usual. Whenever you can make use of it, you can use. This rung is not at all depend upon your jump instruction. See this rung and the rung which is outside the range. Okay. I have given the same input. That's what this output is also on. Okay. So this is how the jump instruction is working in the omron PLC. So you can use multiple jump also. So I hope you have understand the concept. I'll meet you in the next session with another interesting topic. Kindly like and subscribe our channel for more updates and videos. Thank you.